Lying down. Found some coal.
You hear the zombie?
Yes. And I found some iron that I destroyed. No! I might just be playing Adventure Quest World. Adventure Time Quest. You get to see my beautiful face, or are you? I don't know.
Hell no.
I may be. Yep, you get to see my beautiful face. Thank you. I also played some.
One minute night.
Yes, I did, but I did not play that. I also played some Headhunter, and that is completely awesome. I would highly recommend it to everyone there. Yeah. Okay, so I got pretty awesome armor.